So I really feel that God saved my life, or my hand at least. I got a little burn there on my finger, and you might say, well, why is there a burn on my finger? Well, I was trying to change the cell phone battery of an iPhone 6S, and the battery wouldn't come out, and the phone was not discharged. So I tried to pull the battery out with these needle nose, and I had it coming out, and the battery caught on fire. So I ran all the way down here. The battery was on fire, the phone was on fire, and I ran down here, and then the battery dropped out right about there and burned a hole in the rug. So you can see how intense the fire from this battery was. I was trying to get the battery into the toilet here, but I didn't make it. I think this door was closed here. Anyway, the thing was on fire. I'm just glad it ended up as it did. I didn't get hurt. I think God saved me. And what else I can say is a miracle is the phone has a new battery and the phone's still working. So that in itself would have been disaster for the visitor who had the phone here. So live and learn. Always say your prayers. Thank God for the miracles he provides. And this was indeed a miracle that I didn't get hurt. Okay, if you're gonna take a phone apart, please make sure the battery's discharged all the way. You don't want to go through what I went through with this phone. Okay, thanks. This is the second battery I've changed in my life. I changed an iPhone 7S Plus battery successfully. The iPhone 6S, I couldn't get the battery out, and I tried to pull it out and it caught fire. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.